Ever lose track of a crucial brainstorm scrawled on a napkin? Or find yourself with a dozen to-do lists scattered across your desk? We've all been there, drowning in a sea of disorganization. But what if there was a solution? A digital haven that could corral your thoughts, tasks, and projects into one beautiful, functional workspace? Enter Notion, the productivity app taking the internet by storm. But with all the hype, one burning question remains. Is Notion actually free? The answer, like most things in life, is a nuanced "it depends." Buckle up, folks, because we're diving deep into the world of Notion's free plan, its limitations, and whether it can truly be your organizational knight in shining armor. Free reign for the solo flyer. Let's start with the good news. Notion offers a robust free plan that's perfect for individual users. You get access to all the core functionalities that make Notion so darn appealing. We're talking about the ability to create pages upon pages of content. Imagine ditching those clunky Word documents and crafting stunning notes, articles, or even personal wikis, all within Notion's sleek interface. But it doesn't stop at text. Notion's magic lies in its versatility. Think to-do lists you can customize with checkboxes and priority levels. Kanban boards for visualizing project workflows. Even databases that let you manage information with ease. The free plan also throws in some collaboration features. Need to share a grocery list with your roommate? Notion's got you covered. But keep in mind, collaboration gets a bit restricted in the free tier. We'll explore that further in a bit. Block Party. Understanding Notion's building blocks. Notion operates on a concept called blocks. These are essentially the building blocks of your workspace. Text, images, videos, toggle lists, they're all blocks. The free plan gives you unlimited block creation, which sounds fantastic, right? Well, there's a catch. You're limited to a total of 1,000 blocks across your entire workspace. Think of it like a storage unit. You can fill it with anything you want, but there's only so much space. For light users who just need a place to jot down ideas and organize personal projects, 1,000 blocks might be plenty. But for those who crave a more comprehensive digital filing cabinet, it might not be enough. File limits. When free isn't quite enough, another factor to consider is file uploads. The free plan allows you to include images, videos, and other files within your pages, but with a cap of 5 megabytes per file. This might be sufficient for lighter files like text documents or basic images. However, if you plan on incorporating high-resolution photos, audio recordings, or hefty PDFs, you'll quickly hit that limit. Collaboration crossroads. Sharing with others. Now, let's talk about collaboration. The free plan allows you to share your Notion pages with others, which is great for quick brainstorming sessions or keeping your partner in the loop about that grocery list. However, there's a crucial limitation. With the free plan, you can only invite up to 5 guests to your workspace. So, forget about collaborating on large team projects. The paid path to productivity paradise. So, is the free plan enough? Truly depends on your needs. For casual users who just want a taste of Notion's magic, the free tier offers a fantastic starting point. But if you find yourself pushing the boundaries of the block limit, yearning for more storage space, or craving seamless collaboration, then the paid plans might be worth considering. Notion offers several paid tiers, each catering to specific needs. Whether you're a student, a freelancer, or a small business owner, there's likely a plan that unlocks the full potential of Notion. Notion's free plan is a fantastic way to explore the app's capabilities. It offers enough functionality to get you organized and see if Notion jives with your workflow. However, the limitations on blocks, storage, and collaboration become apparent as your needs grow. Ultimately, the decision of whether to go free or pro depends on your individual requirements. But hey, at least you now have a clear understanding of what Notion's free plan offers and doesn't. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,